If rainy days and Mondays both get you down, then a rainy Monday is the worst day ever. And then you gotta go to work, and it's raining, and it's Monday. And man, that's just the worst of it all. But you could try to look at it the bright way, that you got a new week that's starting, hooray. And yeah, it may be raining, but the ground, it needs some water. So maybe a rainy day on a Monday, going to work ain't so bad. If you like that song, there's another one there. If you like them all, subscribe right there. And if you're not watching on YouTube, I'm just waving my hands in the air. Thanks for stopping by. Woo!